Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Readymag for your portfolio. First, select a template that best showcases your work, perhaps a minimalist layout for graphic design or a grid for photography. Next, structure your projects clearly, perhaps with 3 to 5 main categories. Finally, integrate your personal branding, like your logo and color palette, to create a cohesive and professional presentation. This foundational step is crucial for making a strong first impression. Now, let's focus on crafting your visual story. Select your absolute best 3 to 5 projects to feature on your homepage or main gallery. For each project, upload high-resolution images and videos, ensuring every detail is crisp and clear. Complement these visuals with concise project descriptions, ideally between 50 and 75 words, explaining your role and the project's impact. Remember, quality over quantity is key to captivating your audience. Before diving in, make sure your website is perfectly responsive on all mobile devices. Next, carefully choose the conversion method that aligns with your budget and desired features. Always prioritize a seamless user experience. An intuitive app keeps users coming back. Finally, remember that an app is an ongoing project, requiring regular updates and maintenance to stay relevant and secure. Finally, it's time to publish and share your impressive work. Before going live, thoroughly check your portfolio's responsiveness on various devices, ensuring it looks perfect on screens from 5 inches to 27 inches. Consider publishing to a custom domain name for a more professional appearance. Then, actively share your unique portfolio link across all your professional social media platforms and networks. This final step ensures your work reaches the right audience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.